Hello. Just imagine for a moment that I push my hand pretty aggressively against yours. What will you do? Will you push back, avoid the push, or simply give in? If you push others, it can be that they also become aggressive and push back, but it isn't as obvious as you think. People will choose either fight, flight, freeze, or facade as their fear-based reaction to a behavior that makes them uncomfortable. It is our automatic built-in system that protects us from real or perceived danger. Fight can mean yelling or pushing someone to agreeing with them. Flight is all about running away and avoiding certain situations. Freeze is getting people into a state of mental overwhelm or their mind is simply going blank. Facade means saving yourself or your job by pretending everything is okay and under control. Pushers are often not aware that the real danger lies in having mentally checked out people coming to work. These employees show up on time and they may also do what they are told to do, but their heart, mind and spirit have left the company a long time ago. Did you know that according to Gallup, disengaged workers logged 37% higher absenteeism, 49% more accidents and 60% more errors and defects than engaged employees? Things can get turned around faster and easier than you think. Just always remember this. Never push a loyal person to the point where they no longer care. And if you are that person who is pushed to the limit, you will have a choice to make in order to have a better life experience. Life is too short to live in fear. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.